Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. Orthostatic hypotension, which is also called postural hypotension, is a form of low blood pressure that happens when you stand up from sitting or lying down. Orthostatic hypotension can make you feel dizzy or lightheaded and maybe even cause you faint. How it happens? When you stand up, gravity causes blood to pool in your legs and abdomen. This decreases blood pressure because there's less blood circulating back to your heart. Normally, specific cells, which is called baroreceptors, near your heart and neck arteries sense this lower blood pressure. The baroreceptors send signals to centers in your brain, which signals your heart to beat faster and pump more blood, which stabilizes blood pressure. These cells also narrow the blood vessels and increase blood pressure. Orthostatic hypotension occurs when something interrupts the body's natural process of counteracting low blood pressure. Causes: dehydration, heart problems, endocrine problems, nervous system disorders, eating meals. Risk factors: the risk factors for orthostatic hypotension include age, medications. These include medications used to treat high blood pressure or heart disease such as diuretics, alpha blockers, beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors and nitrates. Using medications that treat high blood pressure with other prescriptions and over-the-counter medications may cause low blood pressure. Certain diseases like heart valve problems, heart attack and heart failure, certain nervous system disorders such as Parkinson's disease, and diseases that cause nerve damage or neuropathy, which include diabetes, increase the risk of low blood pressure. Apart from that, heat exposure, bed rest, pregnancy, alcohol, etc. also lead to orthostatic hypotension. When might symptoms happen? When standing or sitting up suddenly, in the morning when blood pressure is naturally lower, after a large meal or alcohol, during exercise, when straining on toilet, when you are ill, if you become anxious or panicky. Symptoms: the most common symptom is lightheadedness or dizziness when you stand up after sitting or lying down. Symptoms usually last less than a few minutes. Orthostatic hypotension signs and symptoms include lightheadedness or dizziness upon standing, blurry vision, weakness, fainting or syncope, confusion, nausea, etc. Your doctor also may recommend one or more of the following. Blood pressure monitoring. Your doctor will measure your blood pressure both while you are sitting and while you are standing and will compare the measurement. Your doctor will diagnose orthostatic hypotension if you have a drop of 20 millimeters of mercury in your systolic BP or a drop of 10 mmHg in your diastolic BP within 2 to 5 minutes of standing, or if standing causes signs and symptoms. Blood test, electrocardiogram, that is ECG or EKG, echocardiogram and stress test. Specific tests include tilt table test. A tilt table test evaluates how your body reacts to changes in position. You will lie on a flat table that tilts to raise the upper part of your body, which simulates the movement from lying down to standing. Your blood pressure is taken frequently as the table is tilted. Next one is Valsalva maneuver. This non-invasive test checks the functioning of your autonomic nervous system by analyzing your heart rate and blood pressure after several cycles of a type of deep breathing. You breathe in deeply and push the air out through your lips as if you were trying to blow up a stiff balloon. Treatment: medications such as midodrine or Orvatin, droxidopa or Northera, fludrocortisone. Another medication is pyridostigmine. It is also known as mestinone or Regonol. Compression stocking. Compression stockings, the goal of treatment of orthostatic hypotension is to restore normal blood pressure. That usually involves increasing blood volume, reducing the pooling of blood in your lower legs, and helping blood vessels to push blood throughout your body. treatment often addresses the cause, dehydration or heart failure, for example, rather than the low blood pressure itself. For mild orthostatic hypotension, one of the simplest treatment is to sit or lie back down immediately after feeling lightheadedness upon standing. Your symptoms should disappear. When low blood pressure is caused by medications, treatment usually involves changing the dose of the medication or stopping it. What can I do to manage my postural hypotension? Tell your healthcare provider about any symptoms. Ask if any of your medicines should be reduced or stopped. Get out of bed slowly. First sit up, sit on the side of the bed, then stand up. Take your time when changing position, such as when getting up from a chair. Try to sit down when washing, showering, dressing, or working in the kitchen. Exercise gently before getting up. That is, move your feet up and down and clench and unclench your hands, or after standing, march in place. Make sure you have something to hold on when you stand up. Do not walk if you feel dizzy. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water or low-calorie drinks each day unless you have been told to limit your fluid intake. Avoid taking very hot baths or showers. Try sleeping with extra pillows to raise your head. Thank you all. Have a nice day.